stay cables of the Kruunuvuori Bridge have been installed. There are a total of 17 pairs of stay cables on either side of the pylon, making 68 cables altogether. The installation work for the stay cables began in February 2025 and was completed in early April. Each stay cable consists of a cable pipe and grease strands installed inside the pipe. The length of the cable pipes ranges from 90 to 260 meters. The diameter of the cable pipes varies between 160 and 225 millimeters. The total length of the cable pipes is 11.5 kilometers. Each pipe contains 19 to 59 grease strands. The total number of grease strands is approximately 2,600. The total length of all grease strands is 450 kilometers. Ice accumulation on the stay cables is prevented by the surface pattern of the cable sheaths, which causes the ice to fall off as small flakes. Kruunusillat is a major infrastructure project in Helsinki, Finland, connecting Laajasalo, Korkeasaari, and Hakaniemi with a series of new bridges. The centerpiece, Kruunuvuorinsilta, will be Finland's longest bridge at approximately 1.2 kilometers, featuring a striking 135-meter-high pylon and cable-stayed design. Designed for trams, pedestrians, and cyclists, but not private cars, the project promotes sustainable transport and reduces emissions. Construction began in 2021, and the tram line is expected to open by 2027. This iconic new link across the sea will enhance green mobility and shape Helsinki's urban landscape for decades to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. You'll find a link to the official Kruunusillat project page in the video description. See you next time.